in this evening. I can understand it's so hot. And thank you for your patience. So we'll start the event. By then, our chief guest gonna join us in another 10 minutes. So we'll start the event. Sorry for the delay.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ritvik Jitin, studying in grade 4. Joining me with the co-anchor, Janvi. We are super excited to take you through today's fun-filled Paperbills Annual Day.
May I request Suhasini from UKG to deliver the welcome speech? Good evening, everyone. We welcome our respected guests. This evening is very special for us because we have worked hard to sing, dance, and perform for you. Thank you for coming to encourage us and bless us with your love. Now let us begin a beautiful celebration. Thank you and enjoy the show.
Begin, I would like to invite our chief guest, Mr. Aryan Santosh, and our founders, Miss Nimisha Ma'am and Miss Pavani Ma'am, to officially inaugurate the annual celebration by lighting the lamp.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಸಾರಿ ಫ್ಲೈಟಿನ ಬಂದು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಆರ್ಯನ್ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಅಂತ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಟ. ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ. ಪ್ಯಾಟೆ ಹುಡುಗಿರ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಲೈಫು, ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಾದ ಪ್ಯಾಡೆ ಬಂದ. ನಾನು ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾಗತಿಹಳ್ಳಿ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರು 100 ಜನ್ಮಕ್ಕೂ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಸೀಸನ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಟಾಪ್ 3 ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ ಬಾಂಬೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ದೈವ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ರಾಜನ ಕತೆ ಚಂಕೋಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಟೀಸರ್ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಮಲಯಾಳಂ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಯಿತು. ನಮಗಿಂಥ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾರೂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮಾಡೋ ಬಂದಿರಾ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಕರೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ನಿಮಿಷವರೆಗೂ, ಪಾವನೆವರೆಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಂದರು, ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಲಾವಿದರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಜೀವನ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್.
Let us start our event with the Divine Ganesha Vandana presented by our little stars of LKG kids. वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. The beautiful performance. Now I would like to request everyone to raise up for the Karnataka state anthem by our Paper Bells team.
ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಜಯ ಸುಂದರ ನದಿವನಗಳ ನಾಡೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ರಸ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಬೀಡೆ ಭೂದೇವಿಯ ಮಕುಟದ ನವಮಣಿಯೇ ಗಂಧದ ಚಂದದ ಹೊನ್ನಿನ ಗಣಿಯೇ ರಾಘವ ಮಧುಸೂದನರವತರಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಜನನಿ ಜೋಗುಳ ವೇದದ ಘೋಷ ಜನನಿಗೆ ಜೀವವು ನಿನ್ನ ವೇಷ ಹಸುರಿನ ಗಿರಿಗಳ ಸಾಲೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಮಾಲೆ ಕಪಿಲ ಪತಂಜಲ ಗೌತಮ ಜಿನನುತ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಶಂಕರರ ಮನುಜ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಮಧ್ವರ ದಿವ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ರನ್ನ ಷಡಕ್ಷರಿ ಪೊನ್ನ ಪಂಪಲ ಕುಮಿಪತಿ ಜನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ ವ್ಯಾಸರ ಮಂಗಳಧಾಮ ಕವಿ ಕೋಗಿಲೆಗಳ ಪುಣ್ಯಾರಾಮ ನಾಯಕ ರಾಮ ನಂದ ಕಬೀರರ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ತೈಲಮ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳರಾಡಿದ ನಾಡೆ ಜಂಕಣ ಜಕಣರ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಬೀಡೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶರಾವತಿ ತುಂಗ ಕಾವೇರಿಯವರ ರಂಗ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಪರಮಹಂಸ ವಿವೇಕದ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಸರ್ವ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೋಟ ರಸಿಕರ ಕಂಗಳ ಸೆಳೆಯುವ ನೋಟ ಹಿಂದೂ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ ಪಾರಸೀಕ ಜೈನರು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಜನಕನ ಹೋಲುವ ದೊರೆಗಳ ಧಾಮ ಗಾಯಕ ವೈಣಿಕರ ರಾಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ ಕುಣಿದಾಡುವ ಗೇಹ ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದೇಹ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಜಯ ಸುಂದರ ನದಿವನಗಳ ನಾಡೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ರಸ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಬೀಡೆ ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you all. Now let's invite Rishank from UKG to present a token of love to our chief guest. Thank you, Rishank.
Requesting Nimisha ma'am and Pavani ma'am to hand over the memento to our chief guest.
Our little angels are all ready to present a graceful Bharatanatyam performance filled with elegance, expressions, and vibrant rhythms. Let's cheer for our tiny dancers Harshini, Naira, Bhavishya, Sahasra, Adya, and Shanvi to captivate us with their charm and talent.
ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಂಬನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಂಬನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಂಬನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಂಬನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ಬೇಳೆಗೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯಂತೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತೂಪದ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಲಗಿರಿ ರಂಗನ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ
That was a beautiful performance, and I am sure that we will cherish it for a long time. India, a land of many colors, languages, and tradition, we celebrate our unity in diversity. Let's come together to showcase our rich cultural heritage through dance, music, and joy. We welcome our playgroup and nursery kids to the stage.
भारत यह रंगों का देश है। यहाँ विविधता में एकता और एकता में विविधता है। यहाँ की संस्कृति ही इसकी धरोहर है। तो आइए देखते हैं इस संस्कृति की कुछ झलकियां।
वराहरूपं देववरीष्टं वरस्मितवदनं वज्रदन्तधर रक्षाकवचम्
வண்ணமயிலேறும் என் தங்க வடிவேலோ கந்தன் உன்னை காண தினம் ஓடி வருவேனோ செந்தமிழை காக்கும் வேல் சேவல் கொடியானோ எண்ணி எண்ணி பாடும் என்னை கந்தன் அறிவானோ தோளிலே பால்காவடி சுமந்து ஓடினேன் மேடு பாலங்கள் கடந்து ஆடினேன் அவன் ஆலயம் நுழைந்து பாடினேன் வடிவேலனை நினைத்து தோளிலே பால்காவடி சுமந்து ஓடினேன் மேடு பாலங்கள் கடந்து ஆடினேன் அவன் ஆலயம் நுழைந்து பாடினேன் வடிவேலனை
ഞാനും വരാം തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാം గట్టు మీద రామసలకావే ఓ కోరింటాకెట్టుకున్న సందా మామావే గోదారి గట్టు మీద రామసలకావే కోరింటాకెట్టుకున్న సందా మామావే
ಪಾಪುಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರ ಚಪ್ಪಳ ಬರಲಿ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಪದ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
by our nursery and playgroup kids, showcasing our country's culture. Let's give them a big round of applause. Now I request Pavni ma'am to give an introduction and speak few words about our special guest of today's evening.
Everyone, it's my honor to welcome our Sandalwood star, Mr. Aryan Santosh today. We are very happy to see you here, sir. He is well known for his performances in films like Nooru Janmakke and Dear Satya. Apart from being a talented actor, he is also a philanthropist. Through the NGO Sankalpa Foundation, he has done various charities. Even he has helped in COVID and lots of services. Sir, thank you for your services and helping our society so far. He's the founder of Winterbridge Studios and Pixel Originals film production houses. Film production houses that focus on bringing meaningful content-based cinemas and unique scripts from across India. Mr. Aryan Santosh received his Best Debut Award from AKK USA in 2010, along with several other recognitions, including the Times India Kannada Festival 2021 award. His presence today brings us great joy. On behalf of our teachers, students, parents, we warmly welcome you, sir. Your presence here truly motivates our kids because you have also come from a long journey, from a tough time. We want our kids also to learn from you a lot. So thank you for motivating our kids here today. Now, sir has started into a directorial debut. So we will be watching his trailer now, The Lost Kingdom Changol.
ಇದು ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಕಥೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಹೇಳದೆ ಉಳಿದ ಕಥೆ. ಇದು ಅರಿಷಡ್ವರ್ಗಗಳಾದ ಕಾಮ, ಕ್ರೋಧ, ಲೋಭ, ಮೋಹ, ಮದ, ಮತ್ಸರಗಳ ವ್ಯಾಮೋಹಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾದ ಕಲಿಯುಗದ ಕಥೆ. ಒಂದು ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯ ಪತನಗೊಂಡ ಕಥೆ. ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಆಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಉಸಿರಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಜೀವಂತ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಕಥೆ. ಅಧಿಕಾರದ ಸಂಕೋಲೆಯೊಳಗೊಂದು ಪ್ರತೀಕಾರದ ಕಥೆ. ಇದು ಚೆಂಕೋಲಿನ ಕಥೆ.
That was a fantastic trailer, sir. It looks powerful, thrilling, and very promising. We wish you and your team great success, and we are excited to watch the movie soon. Now I would like to invite our chief guest, Mr. Aryan Santosh, to speak a few words.
ಎನಿವೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ಚೆಂಕೋಲನ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ತುಂಬ ಆಸೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಕತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಿವಾಂಡ್ರಮ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇದೆ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಡನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ನೀತ್ ದ ಓಷನ್. ಈ ಕಥೆಗಳು ನಾನು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕಥೆಗಳಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ರಾಜನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಿರೋ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು, ಒಂದು ಮೂಷಿಕ ಡೈನೆಸ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಗಸ್ತ್ಯ ರಾಜನ ಕತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಭಾಗ 1 ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ. ಅದೀಗ ಟಾಕ್ಸಿಕ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ, ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಯಶ್ದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಭಾಗ 1 ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಭಾಗ 2 1500 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಮೈಥಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಥ್ರಿಲ್ಲರ್. ಅದು ಈಗ ಜುಲೈಯಿಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಏನಿವೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಷಯ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೆಸ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ನಿಮಿಷ ಅವರ ಪಾವನವರಿಗೆ ದೊರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲಿ. ಅವರು ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದುಗೂಡಿಸಿ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ರೋಮಾಂಚವನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಸಿ, ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ, ಎ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಒಟ್ಟಪಾಲಂ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಮದುವೆಯಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದೆ ನಾನು ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ನನಗಿಂಥ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸು, ಇಂಥ ವೇದಿಕೆ, ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ಜಾಗ ತೋರಿಸುವಂಥ ಏನೋ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಮಯ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು 3ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಂತರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಜೀವನ ಏನು, ಬದುಕೋದೇನು, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಹಂಬಲ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಂದ ನಾನು ಜೀವನನ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದೆ. +2 ಆದ ನಂತರ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದಾಗ ನಾನು ಯುರೇಕಾ ಫೋರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕ್ಲೀನರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಡೋರ್ ಟು ಡೋರ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೋರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಜಾಬ್, ಏನೋ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಒಂದು ಜೀವ ನನಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಗೇವ್ ಮಿ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಬೇಸ್. ಯುರೇಕಾ ಫೋರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ಹಲವಾರು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ 7 years. ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಡ್ನಿ. ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಮೈ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ, IMT ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಯಂಗ್ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಎ CEO ಫಾರ್ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್. ನನಗೊಂದು ತಂಗಿ, ಒಂದು ತಮ್ಮ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಕನಸಲ್ಲಿ, ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಲಾವಿದನ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು, ಯಾಕೋ ಕಲೆ ಕಡೆ ತುಂಬ ಎಳಿತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಪೂರ್ವಭದ್ರ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಸೈನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ 2, ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೂನ್ ಸೈನ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಾಗಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೊಂದು ಫೋಟೋ, ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರು ಬರೆದು ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಆಗಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಾಗಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಸುತ್ತಾಡಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ವೇದಿಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು, ಒಂದು ಪಾಪು ಕನಸು, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡದೆ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ನ ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನೋ ಕತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಹುಡುಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಕೆರಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಂಗ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಒಂದು 30-40 ಆ್ಯಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಸಿಟಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಹುಂಡಾಯಿ ಕಾರ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ನಾಗಭರಣ ಸರನ್ನು. ಅವರ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕಲ್ಲರಳಿ ಹೂವಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅಂದು ನನ್ನ ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ನನ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ಯಶ್, ರಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ 2 ಹೀರೋ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಾನು 100 ಜನ್ಮಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ನಾಯಕನಾಗಿ ತೆರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ಹಿಂದೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಗು, ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ಮಗು ಇಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವರ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, ಆ ಟೀಚರು ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಂದ್ರು ಬಂದು ಸೋಲಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಡಿವೈನಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಇದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ 2 ವಿಷಯ. ಒಂದು, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನಾನೇನು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೊಂದು ರೀಸೈಕಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಅವರ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ಅವರ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್, ಅದು ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಲೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆ. 2ನೇದು, ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಈ ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳಿಗಿರೋ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಫಿನಾಮಿನಲ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬೆಲ್ಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ಹಲವಾರು ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸಿ ಬರಲಿ. ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಒಬ್ಬ ನಟನಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಂದೊಂದು ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದು 10 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಊಟ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ನಾನೊಂದು 4 ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿರಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಆ ಶಕ್ತಿನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸಂಜೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ. Mattamme Magadumme, thank you so much. Loads of love. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you once again. Please support me and bless me. Keep me in your prayers. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and encouraging words. Your presence truly motivates us. Now we invite our UKG stars to present a devotional song for you all. జగజ్జాలపాలం గజత్కంఠమాలం శరచంద్రమాలం మహాదైత్యకాలం నమో నీలకాయం రామమాయం సువర్ణసహాయం సదాంబోధివాసం గలం పుష్పహాసం జగత్సన్నివాసం సదాదిత్యవాసం వరాచక్రశస్త్రం లసత్పీతవస్త్రం హసచ్చారువస్త్రం భజేహం రమాకంఠహారం శతవ్రాతసారం జరంతర్విహారం నరవారవారం చిదానందరూపం మనోజ్ఞస్వరూపం వినాయకరూపం భజేహం జరాజన్మహీనం పరానందవీరం సమాధానదీనం సదైవానవీరం జగజ్జన్మహేతుం సురారీకకేతుం త్రిలోకైకసేతుం కృతం నాయకానం కగాధీశయానం విముక్తే నిరానం పరారాతిమానం స్వభక్తానుకూలం జగద్వృక్షమూలం నిరస్తానశూలం భజేహం సమస్తామరేశం శ్రీరేఖాపకేశం జగద్విమలేశం కృతాకాశదేశం సదా దివ్యదేహం విముక్తాఖిలేహం సువైకుంఠగేహం భజేహం సురాని బలిష్టం త్రిలోకీ వరిష్టం గురూణాం గరిష్టం స్వరూపైకనిష్టం సదా యుద్ధధీరం మహావీర వీరం భవాంబోధి తీరం భజేహం రమావామభాగం తరానన్ననాగం కృతాదీనయాగం కథారాగరాగం మునీంద్రైः సుగీతం సురైः సంపరీతం గుణౌఘైరతీతం భజేహం
by our UKG children. Let's appreciate them with a big round of applause. Now our adorable LKG children are ready to charm you with their lively dance performance.
नमामि नमामि ईश्वरनाट्य पूजितम् नमामि नमामि शङ्करपादवन्दितम् ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಗಳ ನಾದ ತೋಂತನಂ ಪಾದಗಳ ಕುಣಿತ ಧೀಂತನಂ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಆನಂದ ಆಲಾಪವೇ ತನಧಿರನ ಧಿರನ ತನಧೇ ರಾಗ ತಾಳ ನಾಟ್ಯಂ ನಟರಾಜ ಸುಂದರಂ ನಾದ ವೇದ ಕಾವ್ಯಂ ನಟರಾಜ ಸುಂದರಂ ರಾಗ ತಾಳ ನಾಟ್ಯಂ ನಟರಾಜ ಸುಂದರಂ ನಾದ ವೇದ ಕಾವ್ಯಂ ನಟರಾಜ ಸುಂದರಂ
मैं लुटिया पुटिया जाऊंगा तेरे इश्क में गोते खाऊंगा ओ मन्नू मैं तो गया तेरे दिल में कंट लगाऊंगा हुण पिंड ना वापस जाऊंगा ओ मन्नू मैं तो गया बंदा जीता था खुल के तेरी गली में आया भूल के जी चंगा भला सी मैं लुट पुट गया ओ मैं तो धम चिक पक धम लुट पुट गया लुट पुट गया मैं तो गया मैं तो लुट पुट गया लुट पुट गया हुण की करा मैं तो धम चिक पक धम लुट पुट गया लुट पुट गया हुण की करा मैं तो धम चिक पक धम
ಮುನಿಕ ಬೆಲೂಚಿ ಎರಂಗಿ ಬಂದಾಚಿ ಕಡಲೆ ಕೊಂದಲಿಗೂ ಸುನಾಮಿಯೇ ಉಂಡಾಚಿ ಮುನಿಕ ಬೆಲೂಚಿ ಎದಿಪ್ಪ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ತಲೆಯ ಸುತ್ತವಕ್ಕೂ ಸುರಾಬಲಿ ಪೊನ್ನಾಚಿ ಪಟ್ಟಣ ಪಾತಾಲೆ ಪಲ್ಸೆ ತುಂಬಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟುಬ ಮೀನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತಾಡುಮೆ ಇರಬ ಕಲರ ಕೊಂಜಲೆ ಬಿಲೇಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ಟು ನಾ ತೊಟ್ಟ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಆಗುಮೆ
This age, this performance, it's not at all easy. Maybe you're seeing some imperfection, and some kids are going here and there, they're looking, but that is the cuteness overloaded, and they are doing extremely a great job. Please give a big round of applause. These applauses is encouragement for your kids, so please give them. Their effort matters a lot. We are asking you, I can't hear still. I can't hear. For their energy, this is nowhere. Your clap is nowhere.
Was an energetic and outstanding performance. You guys truly rocked the stage. Now it's time to call our nursery and playgroup kids for a special song.
Kids for the wonderful performance. Please give them a big round of applause. Now get ready for a wonderful performance by our energetic UKG students. Let's cheer loudly and welcome them.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಶಿವನೇ ಭಕ್ತಿದಾರಿಯು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಶಿವನೇ ಭಕ್ತಿದಾರಿಯು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವುದೊಂದೇ ದೈವ ಬಾರಿಯು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವುದೊಂದೇ ದೈವ ಬಾರಿಯು உள்ளாய நின்ன நிலத்தடகு இதடுந்த மாய சந்நிதிಗೆ காப்பு ಗೊತ್ತಿಚ್ಚಿ ಶಿವನೇ ಭಕ್ತಿದಾರಿಯು बात मेरे गले पड़ी, डिमांडे आपकी बड़ी बड़ी, पी जाती है खड़ी खड़ी, क्यों मांगे छोरे लाल परी।
For sure बढ़ी दारू की मुझे तोड़ चढ़ी, पी जाऊंगी खड़ी खड़ी, मंगवा दो कोई मुझे लाल परी। लाल परी लाल परी लाल परी लाल परी लाल परी लाल परी, मंगवा दो मुझको लाल परी। लाल परी लाल परी लाल परी लाल परी लाल परी लाल परी, मंगवा दो मुझको लाल परी। One thing I'm for sure बढ़ी दारू की मुझे तोड़ चढ़ी, पी जाऊंगी खड़ी खड़ी, मंगवा दो कोई मुझे लाल परी। मेरा नशा बोतल खोलेगा, कोई ना बीच में बोलेगा, चाहे मुझको गाल पड़ी, मंगवा दो फिर भी लाल परी। कच्ची कली साडा मासूम चेहरा, नीयत नूरानी साडा दिल है सुनहरा। कच्ची कली साडा मासूम चेहरा, नीयत नूरानी साडा दिल है सुनहरा। पर्दे दे पीछे की है किसनू पता, पर्दे दे पीछे की है किसनू पता, कभी मी मैं चस्का चखावा, तैनू शरारत सिखावा, जदों नैना लड़ावा, तैनू शरारत सिखावा, जदों नैना लड़ावा। नैना च मेरे एक नीला समंदर, नैना च मेरे एक नीला समंदर, समंदर में डुबकी लवावा, तैनू शरारत सिखावा, जदों नैना लड़ावा, तैनू शरारत सिखावा, जदों नैना लड़ावा। आय हाय तुम भी हो तन्हा और हम अकेले, जो साथ हुए लाजवाब हो गए। तुम भी हंसी और हम आशिकी है, जो रात हुई बेनकाब हो गए। मेरे लबों पे सजी सुर्खियां, मेरे लबों पे सजी सुर्खियां, गुलाबी या शरबत पिलावा, तैनू शरारत सिखावा, जदों नैना लड़ावा, तैनू शरारत सिखावा, जदों नैना लड़ावा। नैना च मेरे एक नीला समंदर, नैना च मेरे रंगीला समंदर, समंदर में डुबकी लवावा, तैनू शरारत सिखावा, जदों नैना लड़ावा, तैनू शरारत सिखावा, जदों नैना लड़ावा।
What a fantastic dance! Our UKG stars truly lit up the stage. Please put your hands together and give a big round of applause to our amazing children. Now I request our founder, Nimisha ma'am, to address the gathering.
Good evening, one and all, and warm welcome to our chief guest and parents and always our little stars. Hope you are all enjoying the show. I can see so many thrilling and happy faces around me. So thank you so much for your encouragement. And This year has been so incredible for our preschool. We have learned, we have grown, and we explored together. And our little ones has taught us many things to be like curiosity, kindness, everything. We are getting motivated from seeing our little ones to do more and more things for them. And we understand as a preschool that every parent is different, every child is different, and everybody's need and expectations are always different. And we are just trying our best as a management. We are trying to understand and fulfill our best. What can be done? So we are just taking everything from all the parents and we are just trying to do our best. And as you all see, Paper Bells is not the management and staff. That is not the way we work. It's like we are one family, like the teachers and me, Pavni, all together one family. We every individual having a different opinions. We just put it across together and we'll just take in a proper decision. So that's how we work. So as your nursery dance represents the unity in diversity, so that is what is unity. That is the result, what all you are seeing in this today's. And a special thanks to our teacher. They are very dedicated. And for the parents, for your support and your trust, that is really an encouragement for us. So thank you, our teachers. So I don't want to drag you. Already we started the event very late. And I know some parents might be having certain suggestions or anything. So last year we had an interaction in this annual day. Since we are already running out of the time, so me and Pavni is always available. So let us know any suggestions or any feedback for the improvement of our preschool or anything you want us to, please communicate us anytime. You can drop a message or you can communicate to our teacher. We are always there to hear for you. And our little ones, they are always the superstars. They are the stars of the shows. So all of you, just dream big. We are always proud of you all. So thank you, parents. And special thanks to Divya for teaching all the musics to the kids. So thank you so much.
Now put your hands together to welcome our teachers and staff with a big round of applause for a small performance for kids.
കണ്ണിൽ കനവാകനി കലയാതടി മറയാമലേ നീ നിർപ്പായ കലയാതടി മറയാമലേ
గిర్ర గింగిరాగిరే సర 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 పొంగరాలివే జర్ర 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 సుట్టు తిరిగలే అందాల భూమి సూర్యునిలా గిర్ర 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 గింగిరాగిరే తుర్రు 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 తోక పిట్టలే చెర్ర 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 ఎగిరిపోవులే రయ్యంటూ రాయి ఒడిసెల్లా కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ జాను ఈ రాజంగ్ నీనే కుయిను ముద్దాదలేడి డాను ఇడి ఏరియా బ్యూటీ నీను కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ జాను ఈ రాజంగ్ నీనే కుయిను ముద్దాదలేడి డాను ఇడి ఏరియా బ్యూటీ నీను ದೇವರೇ ಇವಳು ಚಂದಿರನ ಕೊನೆ ಮಗಳೇ ದೇವರೇ ಇವಳು ಇಂದಿರನ ಊರಿನವಳೇ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೂಲ ಗೋರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನಗಾರಿ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ತೂರಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ನಂಬಾರಿ 13 ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ
A huge round of applause for our teachers and staff. You made our day brighter. Wow, what a wonderful evening it has been. I hope you all enjoyed the performances by our little stars. Thank you, Paper Bells, for giving us this opportunity and improving our public speaking skills.
And now it's time to hand over the mic to Divya ma'am to take you to the most awaited event of the day, graduation ceremony.
And Janavi. And now we move to the most special and emotional part of today's event, our kindergarten graduation ceremony. Today, our little stars are taking their very first big step in their academic journey. It feels like just yesterday they walked into school holding tiny bags and their parents' hands. And now they stand here confident, smiling, and ready for the next class. Dear parents, today is your achievement too. Your love, patience, and support have helped these little ones reach this milestone. Thank you for trusting us and being our partners in this beautiful journey. Let's give a big round of applause to all the parents for receiving their certificates.
Okay, sorry parents, our chief guest has to leave urgently. So we are just finishing off our graduation certificate distribution first, and we are just continue with the other events. So slight event changes, so please cooperate with us. Thank you.
Our little graduates have prepared a special dance performance to express their happiness. Let's encourage them with loud cheers and claps as they light up the stage.
शुक्रिया 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 आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत आपके समर्पण को सलाम शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया, माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
To all the teachers and staff of Paper Bells, thank you for empowering us and laying a strong foundation for our future. Thank you all.
Now, let us move to the most awaited moment, presenting our young graduates with their graduation certificates and special award to each child. Now, we request our respected founders and chief guests to kindly present the graduation awards to our dear students. Mr. Shivani Dasari.
Applause for Shivani Dasrai. So please give a big round of applause for our little graduates, please. So the next award going to Jangam Abhairam. The award is Bright Progress Award. Bright Progress Award is going to Jangam Abhairam. Next is Kindness Star Award. The Kindness Star Award goes to Aviksha Boi. Please give a big round of applause for the kids. Kids have more energy after doing so many performances, but I can't hear from you people. So give a big round of applause for the Kindness Star Award. Next, we have the Best Performer Award goes to Vande Litika Sai Adya. So the Best Performer Award goes to Adya. Next, the Best Handwriting Award goes to Arvika Shetty. The Best Handwriting goes to Arvika Shetty. So next award is Most Cheerful Award goes to Shanvi Siraj. Most Cheerful Award goes to Shanvi Siraj. Next is the Outstanding Growth Award goes to Manas Tej. Outstanding Growth Award goes to Manas Tej. Blooming Star Award goes to Rishang GS. Blooming Star Award goes to Rishang GS. Next, the Outstanding Performer Award goes to Guju Arshini. Outstanding Performer Award goes to Guju Arshini. So please give a big round of applause for the outstanding performer. So next is the Creative Artist Award goes to Suhasini Maharaja Gayatri. Creative Artist Award goes to Suhasini Maharaja Gayatri. So the Creative Artist Award, Suhasini. So the Enthusiastic Learner Award goes to Sanidhya Viresh Sarve. Enthusiastic Learner Award goes to Sanidhya. Thank you so much for being there. Actually, he promised us I'll be there one and so much for you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Pavni. Thank you so much, and thank you, Nimisha. This entire event wouldn't have happened without the technicians, the sound and light, and the teachers, and the parents, and the entire crew, and the photographer. Thank you, everybody. Please cheer them up. That's the best we can do. We all have crossed this and come. So a lot of applause to the teacher, and great work to the students. And I love the teachers' performance, especially that Bangal Bangari was like a killer. They killed it. So I loved what a vibe. It's a great energy. I wish, Paper Bells a bigger and a, prosperous career next year. I want it to be a bigger, larger. To all the teachers over here, one big round of applause. Here we go. To the teachers. Thank you. Sure. Thank you. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೌಡರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ತಲೆ ಬಾಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಟೀಚರ್ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. Come all the... What language?
It's my best picture in Super Year.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, whatever he said. Yes. Let's go. Okay, everybody.
Also Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Okay, everybody. Full energy. To Pepperman. To Daddy Mommy. Everybody, okay, big cheers to the teachers, to all of you. Yeah. Okay, thank you. This is the cutest picture. This is going to be in Times of India. Okay, now? Huh?
Thank you. 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 Thank you.
Thank you once again. Matame for being late. My apologies. I had a lovely time. I had another recording to go. Please continue with this mood and momentum. This is awesome. Baby, you want to say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you. See, there you go. That's the last man standing. All right, once again, Shubhratri, Allah Hafiz, take care. God bless you. All right, see you soon. See you soon. Thank you, Pavni, once again. Nimisha, what an energetic teacher. Where is she? Congratulations. Thank you for inviting me. I didn't know this is my first school event in 2026. Not like the whole thing. But I loved it, loved it. Okay, enjoy yourself. Keep clapping them. Love you all. Everybody, sir, cameraman, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye, teacher, thank you.
Shivani, Adya, Naira to come and sing a devotional song.
Hey, Bangara. పలుకే బంగారమాయేనా కోదండ పని పలుకే బంగారమాయేనా ఇరవుగా ఇసుకలోన పొలరిన ఉడతా బత్తికి ఇరవుగా ఇసుకలోన పొలరిన ఉడతా బత్తికి కరుణించు ఓచితివని నరనమ్మితేనే తండ్రి ఓచితివని నరనమ్మితేనే తండ్రి పలుకే బంగారమాయేనా కోదండ పాని పలుకే బంగారమాయేనా ఆతిని నాతిగా చేసి భూతాల మందున రాతిని నాతిగా చేసి భూతాల మందున ప్రఖ్యాతి జందితివని ప్రీతితో నమ్మితి తండ్రి ప్రఖ్యాతిని జందితివని ప్రీతితో నమ్మితి తండ్రి పలుకే బంగారమాయేనా కోదండ పని పలుకే బంగారమాయేనా అంతా వేడిన గాని సొంతైన దయరారు ఎంత వేడిన గాని సొంతైన దయరాదు పంతాము సేయకని నెంతటి వాడను తండ్రి పంతాము సేయకని నెంతటి వాడను తండ్రి పలుకే బంగారమాయేనా కోదండ పాని పలుకే బంగారమాయేనా శరణాగతాత్రన బిరుదాంకితుడవుగావ శరణాగతాత్రన బిరుదాంకితుడవుగావ కరుణించు భద్రాచల వరరామదాస పోష కరుణించు భద్రాచల వరరామదాస పోష పలుకే బంగారమాయేనా కోదండ వాడి పలుకే బంగారమాయేనా
Now get ready for some action and excitement. Here comes our little superheroes from freestyle dance to light up the stage with their power-packed performance dedicated to our UKG superheroes.
And brave and tough and strong. Big and brave and tough and strong. Do you wanna be a superhero? Big and brave and tough and strong. I wanna be a superhero. All join in, everybody sing along. Secret Agent James Bond.
Okay.
Let's be superheroes so we can save the day. Wherever there is trouble, we're on our way. Let's be superheroes so we can save the world. With our superpowers,
we're Superboy
and Supergirl. We're superheroes. Let's be superheroes so we can save the day. Wherever there is trouble, we're on our way. Let's be superheroes so we can save the world. With our superpowers,
we're Superboy
and Supergirl. We're superheroes. Yay!
Fly like Superman, soaring through the clouds.
Now it's time for the most special and exciting moments of today's celebration, the graduation ramp walk. Our little graduates are ready to walk the stage with confidence. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. Jangam Abairam. Stand. Aviksha Bhodi. Vatte Ritika Sai Adya. Arvika Shetty. Shanvi Siraj. Manas Tej. Nishant Ji. Manju Harshini. Suhasini Maharaja Gayatri. Sanitya Veeresh Salve. Now I invite Nisha ma'am to interact with our UKG kids to show their skills.
Wanted to show our kids some what they've learned all these years and what their what is their skills, everything. We just wanted to show you in front of you. So I would like to ask small questions with my kids. So a small interaction. So I hope this makes the help for the new parents actually. So I know people are rushing for the time, it's already delayed. So please just bear with us because they are prepared for everything. So this is our last one day stage with these kids actually. Next year they are just going to move out. So please bear with them because their effort matters a lot. So first with the Shivani Dasrai. Shivani, can you please tell me what is blend word?
Blend words means two consonants blending together, making their own sounds.
Please give a big round of applause for the kids. Next with Adya. Adya, can you please tell me what is homophones?
Same sound, different meaning, sometimes different spelling.
Thank you. Okay, next with Shanvi. So Shanvi, can you please tell me what comes after 599?
600.
Thank you. Okay, Rishang, can you please tell me 5 international sports?
Cricket, boxing, football, basketball, badminton.
Okay, next is Suhasini. Suhasini, can you please tell me 5 Indian sports?
Kabaddi, Kushti, Kho-Kho, Gilli Danda, hockey.
Thank you. Okay, next with Sanidhya. Next with Sanidhya, can you please tell me what question I'll ask you? Okay, can you please tell me on which day we'll celebrate Teachers' Day?
September 5th.
Whose birthday is September 5th?
S. Radha Krishna.
Please give a big round of applause. Thank you. Next, Arshini. Arshini, can you please tell me how many consonants and vowels are there?
There are 21 consonants and 5 vowels.
Can you please tell me what is noun?
Nouns means name of a person, name of an idea, name of an animal, name of a bird, name of a place, name of a body part.
Thank you. Okay, next with Arvika. Arvika, can you please tell me what is verbs?
Verbs means action words.
Thank you. Okay, next with Manas. Manas, can you please tell me what is consonant phonograms?
Consonant phonograms. Two consonants bending together, making one single sound.
Thank you. Okay, next with Aviksha. Aviksha, can you please tell me how many vowels are there?
5 vowels are there.
Okay, how many consonants are there?
21 consonants are there.
Okay. Okay, next with Abhay. Abhay, can you please tell me what is consonants?
Consonants means except 5 vowels, rest all 21 alphabets called consonants.
Okay. Next with Manas, one more question. Manas, which countries and state dances Bharatanatyam?
India, Tamil Nadu.
Please give a big round of applause. Okay, thank you. So I think our kids wanted to say something. Their parents were telling something.
It's a small memory from their side. They want to present you all. Please open it once. It's their. It's their thoughts about you, how they feel. No, it's an effort from all the 11 kids for you.
So I hope you all seen a memory video of these kids. I don't know whether you have just. I would request Prashant to play it once again. And as ma'am said, this is the first Password Kids of Paper Bells Cruise. They are like 3 years back. I just met these parents and I just gave some promise. I hope I'm just keeping up the promises. And last 1 week of our practice was almost ending up with a tears. Whenever they say bye, we'll be getting a tears actually. So next year these kids are. But still, see, as a new parents are there here, and some of these kids are not, as per the NEP policy, they are not eligible. So we might meet them again in the next academic year. But I would like to tell you, the parents, the one thing, it's okay if your children ask to repeat 1 year. That's completely fine. It's a government need actually. So it's fine. It's okay. Just take it everything as a positive sign. If the child is repeating, it's again a strong foundation, because the strong foundation is make the building strong. We say the same thing. This is the strong foundation we are giving to our kids. If you are just 1 more year, we are just going to give that extra foundation. That is a double strong foundation. Just keep chill and keep your kids, teach them only to be positive and handle the situation with a smiling face. So that is the only thing we can give them. So thank you to the parents actually taking this effort. And these parents, actually they believed us, and that belief, their trust made this wonderful day is happening. So they are the first kids. So maybe you can, once again, you can reach with this feeling that may be totally different. So please. Come side.
ರಕ್ತ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳ ಮೀರಿದ ಬಂಧವಿದು, ಯಾವ ಬಿಂದುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಧಿಸುವುದು. ಚಾಚಿ ತೋಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಗಿದಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿ ನೋವನ್ನು ತನ್ನದೆಂದು ಕೈಯ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಬೆಸೆದು ಮುಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಡೆವ ಎಂದು ಕಣ್ಣ ಕಂಬನಿಯ ಪೊರೆಸುವ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹವಿದು ಇರಲಿ ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬೆಳೆದು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ದಾರಿ ಬದುಕು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಂದವೆಂದು ಸಾರುತ್ತಿಹುದು ಸಾರಿ ಸಾರಿ ನೀವು ನೀವು ಅಂತ ಶುರುವಾತು ಮೊದಲು ಲೋಲೋ ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಬದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ನಡುವೆ ಎಲ್ಲ
This is actually a thank you to Nimisha ma'am for all the performances, for all the teaching she has done, for all of us, including our teachers. Big thank you for her. Prashant, play Madi.
We think you're great. We think you're grand. We want to walk into the sunset, hold in your hand. We think you rock, top notch indeed. No matter what it is you do, we always follow your leads. You are the best. The BEST best.
Thank
you
you,
are
ma'am.
the best.
Thank you, Nimisha ma'am. Thank you so much.
Better than all the rest. You
Your
are
effort
the
so
best.
much nicer.
Thank you, ma'am.
The
Nimisha ma'am and
BEST
Pauri ma'am.
best. You are the best.
Both of you, Nimisha ma'am and Pauri ma'am.
Everyone, my name is Sanidhya. As we come to the end of this wonderful celebration, we express our heartfelt gratitude to our respected chief guest, founders, teachers, and dear parents. Thank you for your constant support and encouragement. A big applause to all our performers who made this evening memorable. Thank you.
So fast, final bye-bye walkout. So please give a big round of applause for our kids, the tiny graduates of Paper Bells Preschool 2026. Follow me. Follow me.
పాదమెటుపోతున్నా పయనమెందాకైనా అడుగు తడబడుతున్నా తోడు రానా చిన్ని ఎడబాటైనా కంట తడి పెడుతున్నా గుండె ప్రతి లయలోనా
Clap, clap. Please give a big round of applause for our kids.
ఒంటరా
Follow me, follow me.
తడి కన్నులనే తుడిచిన నేస్తమా
Please keep continue clapping, continue clapping.
పొడి తుడుకులలో నిలిచిన స్నేహమా
Please give a big round of applause for our kids. Requesting all the UKG parents to take a group photo with your child, family photo. Sir, our ellargu ondondu family photo takkobidu. Kids, only the playgroup kids.
తడి కన్నులనే వానవ
Come forward fast, please. Aviksha's father and mother, please come forward.
ఒంటరైనా ఓటమ
Be ready with Adya's parents. Adya's parents, please come forward. Arvika's parents. Shanvi's parents, please come forward. Just hold your child hands and please wait. Shanvi's parents, please. Okay, next. Sun. Rishang's parents, please. Rishang's parents, please come forward. Thank you. UKG kids parents, you can take the photo with the graduation dress and teacher staff, please be ready. A small award and appreciation for all of you. So I request Pamani to hand over the award. Nidhi Jha, Rising Star Award. Next is Divya. Multitasking Master Award goes to Divya. Multitasking Master Award goes to Divya. Next is Madhu ma'am. Art of the School Award goes to Madhu ma'am. Heart of the School Award goes to Madhu ma'am. So age is just a number. So which proves by Madhu ma'am, she is our art of the school and pillar of the school too. For both of us, how our parents are guiding us, the same way Madhu ma'am is there with us. For her experience, for everything, she always there for her. So thank you so much ma'am. Next award goes to Dhanlakshmi. School Spirit Award goes to Dhanlakshmi. School Spirit Award goes to Dhanlakshmi. The School Spirit Award goes to Dhanlakshmi. Nimisha, the Bright Beginner Award goes to Nimisha. Bright Beginner Award goes to Nimisha K. Bright Beginner Award goes to Nimisha K. Next, Miss Renuka Bosley, Dedicated Mentor Award goes to Renuka Bosley. Dedicated Mentor Award goes to Renuka Bosley. So this is the last day or maybe last 2 months. She'll be with us. Then she's moving out from Paper Bells. Please give a big round of applause for Renuka Bosley for all her services. And we are going to miss you. Next, we have given the Teachers Award so that support staff, they are the most important part. How you guys are taking care of your kids without any hesitation, without saying any no, let it be anything. They are taking care of their kids. Even we have the aunties like Gautami, Meena, Renuka, so they are not even getting married. So still they are taking care of their own babies. We are only sometimes surprised how they are patiently taking care of all the kids. So thank you for them. So small appreciation for everybody. BN Priyanka, Reliable Resource Award goes to BN Priyanka. Reliable Resource Award. So anything if is there, Priyaka, they'll call. So that is what our source. Next, Meena, Helping and Award goes to Meena. Helping and Award goes to Meena. Again, for her also, this is the maybe last year. Next year, she won't be there. And congratulations to Meena for a new happy married life. Date yet to be finalized, but still. Next is Renuka M. Constant Contributor Award. Constant Contributor Award goes to Renuka. Constant Contributor Award goes to Renuka. Next, Gautami, Dedicated Supporter Award. Dedicated Supporter Award. So she is also an upcoming bride to be. So congratulations, Gautami, for that. Thank you. So next we have new joinees, Satya and Dharani. So Satya, Appreciation Award goes to Satya. Again, Dharani, Appreciation Award goes to Dharani. Thank you so much. Now the teachers are having something to say.
This is special award for both Nimisha ma'am and Pavni ma'am. Thank you so much.